Hey everybody, so today let's talk about how to move crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So to move cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Trust Wallet, open your Trust Wallet app and then tap Receive on the main wallet screen. Then search for and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then check the network shown and then tap Copy to save the deposit address to your clipboard. Now to send the crypto from Coinbase, open your Coinbase app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap Send and then tap Send Crypto. Now choose the exact same cryptocurrency you selected in Trust Wallet and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier into the To field. Now double check that the address and network match. Sending crypto over the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds. To review the network fees and transaction details, complete your security verification and tap Send. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next one.